Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt app you click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Wolt and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.